What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? Today we are going to be doing some work on this bad boy right here. This is the 1983 BMW 633 CSI. Show y'all the interior. I gotta put my CD player back in that. So this right here, gonna be getting this all stitched up. That one right there, and there's a larger one right here. So I'm gonna see if my guy can get this all squared away. Yep. Show y'all the front. Don't mind my garage, it's kind of dirty. There's a lot of BMWs in here. We'll be doing some work on the 330xi as well. I got a bunch of parts that I ordered. Let me show y'all. Bunch of parts that I ordered. Oh, I actually replaced this last week. Had to get that from BMW. And I pretty much redid these. So on the trunk, I got all types of stuff. I got some equipment to update the stereo system. You can see my Rockford Fosgate 12s. I'm also going to be replacing the starter because it seemed to have, I think it's heavy. It went out on me a couple of days ago, but the funny thing is it's kind of intermittent because I haven't had an issue since it happened. But just to make sure that that doesn't happen again anytime soon, I'm going to go ahead and replace the starter. A bunch of pieces. Looks like this is the water pump for the 330xi. I'm gonna go ahead and put some new spark plugs in here too. What we got in here? This is the fan clutch for the 330xi. So after we install all these pieces, we're pretty much gonna have a brand new cooling system. And right here, I got the expansion tank. There and some other parts, hoses, got power steering hoses. This looks like it is oh, valve cover gasket. So yeah, that's it. But yes, we will be doing a lot of work. Got a lot of parts. Got a lot of work to do. Let me crank this bad boy up for you guys.